Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse.
How to remove lines XL. So here I'll be giving you some um, um, s- um, ways to how to remove lines on XL, and I'll be giving you a bonus tip. So we're gonna start with the bonus tip because it sounds cool. So now we're gonna choose it right here and right here. The bonus tip for you guys is you can add a border to highlight it. So how to do that? Just go to your home right here in font right here, and here you may change it to say the top border right there. So as you can see, there's a border line at the top, or you can just put it on the right side border. There we go. There's a border right there, or you can apply it to all right here. Oopsie, but you need to select it first. There you go. And select it, then choose the all borders right there. Let me just remove this one right here. There you go. There you go. Now we can add a thickness to it. Actually, very thick border right there, but it's on the outside layer right there. And we can also change the thickness right here, like top and top and thick bottom border. So it means the top is not thick, but the bottom is thick right there. But yeah, that's how it is. Or you could just draw yourself a border or draw border grid, or you can erase some borders right there. Say like that. So it's satisfying. So you can see right there. It's very satisfying when you're gonna delete some borders right there. And so just trying this because it's fun. There you go. There you go. With the pop. Oopsie. There you go. So yeah. So just you can do that. So yeah. And you can also draw your border right there. Boop, bap, doot. That. Put it like that. Put it like that. Put it like that. 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 Somewhere like that. Oops. There you go. And now we can choose some line color for it if you want. Let's say the thickness for this. We gotta choose for all the border. Oopsie. Sorry about that, guys. We just choose it right here. Then we're gonna choose all borders. Then we can change the color fit. That's what makes it fun. We change it to blue right here. Oopsie, we can do blue. Then we're gonna color it blue. Blue. There you go. Remove it all. Alright. So we need to be not that much messy. So yeah, there you go. So no borders. There you go. No borders. Now we're gonna remove the borders to remove the borders right here. Just click on that and then click on right here view. Auto click on view right here. Not now. Remove the grid lines. Once you remove the grid lines, there are no more borders right here. As you can see, there's only right here. And if you want to add a border right here, just do what I told you in the bonus section, bonus round. Just highlight that and just add some borders to the ones that you want to add borders, like say like that. As you can see right now, there's a blue. There's a the border. We can add its thickness right here by just doing that and doing this. Then bada boom. Then thickness border. Then we're just gonna put it all back. Or right here, you can just do right here. Just select it all. Then boom. As you can see, it's all selected right there. After you selected all, um, the next thing you can do is what you call this change the color of the border into white. So when changing your color into border into white, one is just by um, going right up right here and here, and then changing the color right here into white. So once we change the color into white, that means the borders into white. So there you go. As you can see, there are some more border lines. There you go. There's only this. Yeah, and we can choose which one. And we can choose which one to put the colors back. Let's say right here, put it on black, black on the go. You can choose it right that. Let's put it right there. There you go. As you can see, we can choose right here. Make the areas right here white. Boop. Then, bada boom. Boop. There you go. That's all white. So as you can see, guys, that's how you do it. So yeah, there you go, guys. I hope you guys liked the video. Please enjoyed. If you have any more questions, type it in the question below, and we'll be happy to answer you guys. And there you go, guys. Thank you.
If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.